Welcome back, my YouTube family, to another episode of 2 Minutes every Friday. In the previous episode of this series, we learned into mastering Excel formulas. Today's episode promised to be just as exciting, as I will be showing how to convert a simple and boring donut chart into a modern chart. So I'm using the sample data from one of my masterclass where I made this amazing dashboard, the stock management of FMCG company. If you want to learn this powerful and incredible dashboard, you need to click on right corner. We have region wise data here. I'm selecting this data. Basically, this is a pivot table and I'm selecting this pivot table, going to insert from here. I will be selecting this donut chart. So basically, this is a simple and a boring donut chart, and we have to convert into a modern. So this is my region wise data, and I'm selecting this one, going to insert from here. I will be selecting this donut chart. Basically, this is a boring donut chart, and I will be converting it into modern chart. First of all, I'm selecting this one and pressing delete from my keyboard. This is my region wise sales. Now, if I will be double clicking on this chart, this dialog box will pop up, and now I'm selecting this one. Basically, I have three regions, 1, 2, 3. So I'm selecting this one. I selected only this section, and I'm going to this border. From here, I'm selecting this solid line, and I will be selecting this same color from here. So the color of this one is this, and the width, I will make this width 8 or 10. So now I'm going to select this section, this one, and I'm going to border. From border, I'm selecting this solid line, and I will be selecting this same color. Select this one, this width, and make it 8. Now I'm going to select this last section, and I'm going here to this border. From here, I will be selecting this solid line, and I will be selecting this same color, this one, and I will make it like 0.5. This is the method by which you can convert the simple donut chart into a modern chart. Thank you so much for joining me for another 2 minutes every Friday episode. If you found this episode helpful, please like, share and subscribe to stay tuned for more valuable content of that specific playlist. Until next time, keep charting in style, and I will see you in the next episode of this series. Thank you.